Hey, how's it going? Dilo Barber here with another video. This time we're gonna do an unboxing. Let's rip this box out. See what's inside. There you have the Stylecraft collaboration with 360 Jeezy. Take this out of here. Paper. There you have it. That's the box. It comes with a Stylecraft replacement blade. It's a standard type. It's not an echo or nothing. It's a standard replacement in case it breaks. There you have it. It comes free with the shipping on the Stylecraft website. This is the 360 GC with the vector motor. There you have it, magnetic guard, heavy duty full metal, stereo gap, vector motor, 3 hours cordless hour time. It says that absorbs vibration and sound. Has 11,500 RPM, which is one of the most, I think it's the most high motor out there on clippers. You have a 360 GC. Checking out the box, pretty. What's inside. There you have it. My boy 360 GC, legend. Been watching him for years since I started. Now he has his own clipper. And to each and everyone that purchases this product, understand that it takes hard work, dedication, motivation, and consistency to achieve whatever you want. Nothing happens overnight, but when you work hard, good results happen. So there we have it. It has some replacement parts, a lever, screws. We have the base where the clipper stands, and you can charge it too. It comes with magnetic guards. Nice, the red, pretty. A red screwdriver. Charger that you plug directly to the clipper, and the one that you connect to the base. And there you go, the clipper. Let's check it out. Nice, as you can see, it's full metal. It feels very good to the hand, very fresh. This is the echo blade, which is supposed to sound loud as you cut hair. To be more precise, feels very good and light, very pretty, shines blue as you start it. Those 4 levels are the charging, is the battery. 4 levels is full charge. Feels very nice, I like it. So that's it. There you have it. Comes with the clipper, magnetic guards. There are a few, just like 4. I think it's a half, 1, 1.5, and 2. They're magnetic, as you can see. They attach to each other. So this is all that it comes with the clipper. It's complete. It's just like in the 4 to 8 guard, but if you haven't already, it shouldn't be a problem. Now let's start the test of the cut. As you can see, I'm debulking with the 1.5 guard. It works pretty neat, as you can see, taking hair and all the bulk really quickly and really easy. Not even putting pressure or strain on it. It's working like new. You can feel the power, like you don't have to make more than 1 or 2 cuts. I've been testing it for a while now. This is just a video test before you can see. And it works perfectly. It became a new clipper on the main. I used to have the JRLs. As you can see, to create the guidelines, very easy and quick. They have it with the half, then the one. It made my fading process a lot faster, not gonna lie, because he cuts really fast, because he has this big motor that works very hard. It's almost as double as the normal clippers you see out there. In the magic clips are like 6,000 or 7,000, like 6,000. This one is 11,000, so you can definitely feel the difference, and it's making my face fade a lot faster, and it's even scary sometimes. This is the results of that cut. Came out very clean. This is the first time I use the clippers. Now you can see a better look to the guidelines of how fast they can do it with the clippers. It's very easy to make the guidelines because it has so much power. As you can see, it's not taking me nothing, just like 10 to 15 seconds to create them very easily and sharp. And even the hard guidelines to fade away, like the one between the half and one and a half and one open, it's making it look easy, just easy and fast. And right now I'm gonna show you a little bit an example of the noise that it makes. Well, there you have it. That's the Echo blade that sounds a little bit more loud than any other blade, and it is actually very helpful because when you use it, you know that you're cutting because you can hear it so loud and clear. It has helped me a lot, especially with the half guard, which sometimes I was using it without even know that I'm cutting or not, just trying to see the difference on the fade. But with the blade is better. You can hear it again over here. I like it. It's a cool feature. Helps a lot with fades, especially if you're beginning. This is another cut that I made with the clipper. Just trying to show you how they cut, how clean they can get. I'm gonna show you another cut that I did too. It's an example. Hey, so after using the clippers for 3 weeks now and doing a lot of cuts, I already stopped using my JRLs. They have no issues. The only thing is that they do tend to overheat since the body is full metal. Other than that, the battery also dies a lot faster than the JRLs. The JRLs last like 4.5 hours. Starcraft only lasts like 3. I have no problem connecting and plugging the charger to it and keep working. If you are able to get 2 of those, that will be more than perfect. More if you're doing house calls and places where you can count on plugging the clipper on the charger. Other than that, the clipper is way more powerful, and I think if I keep using it and getting better at it, I can definitely get to more precise results. It takes some time to adjust to the power of the motor. It's just too precise and sharp that you can end up cutting more than you want to at first if you're used to wall clippers or on any other brand that doesn't have that high RPM of motor. I do recommend them. I love the clippers. I'm gonna keep still using them. Can't wait to get another pair in my hands so I can use cordless mode for more than 3 hours. And that's it. See you guys later. So there you have it, 360 Jeezy style crap. Subscribe to see more videos. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video. Turn on that notifications mode and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. See you guys later. See ya.